Have you ever felt like no one notices your effort? You work, you pray, you try to lead your family the right way, but sometimes it feels like your life is too ordinary, too small, to matter. If you've ever believed that lie, today's message is for you. Recently, the smallest nation ever to reach the FIFA World Cup stepped onto one of the biggest stages in sports. Many expected people to remember their size. Instead, people remembered something else. Before the match, they bowed their heads and praised Jesus. The world saw a small nation. God saw a testimony. That's how God has always worked. David looked too small. Gideon's army became too small. Bethlehem was too small. A mustard seed looked too small. Even a baby lying in a manger looked too small. Yet every one of them became evidence that God's power is never limited by size. The world measures greatness by influence. God measures faithfulness. The Lord says in Zechariah 4:10, "Do not despise these small beginnings, for the Lord rejoices to see the work begin." God never asked you to become famous. He asked you to remain faithful. Brother, don't discount the quiet prayer. Don't discount the small act of obedience. Don't discount the unseen sacrifice. Heaven notices what the world ignores. And when your life is surrendered to Jesus, small things become kingdom things. Keep trusting. Keep praying. Keep becoming the man God is shaping you to be.